kidney bean in the soil just like this. Next, we water it.
And it becomes a tree? How fast does it grow?
We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see. If we water it and treat it with care, it could grow into a big, strong tree.
Whoa! Mommy, I want to plant one.
And I want to plant one.
We want to plant too. Grow strong, little bean. I'll water you and take care of you.
Okay, chicks, look after your kidney beans.
Yeah! Grow strong, kidney bean.
Lots of water for my little friend. Huh? Hi-ya! Oh, why aren't these kidney beans growing? Yeah, what is this? I can't wait any longer. Who wants to go to the playground with me?
Me, I do. Let's go play.
I'm coming also.
But Jack, Dury, we can't leave our beans like that. Oh, kidney bean. When will you grow? What is this big tree? Huh? That's my blanket, and it was right next to the kidney bean. Oh my goodness, Beanstalk! I can't believe how fast you grew.
Hi, Chip. What's happening?
Oh, hi, Beanstalk. You grew so tall.
Chip, why are you climbing?
Ha-ha! There it is. Whoa! Beanstalk, you grew so big. Whoa! My bean grew into a tree. A beautiful sight to see. Big and tall and wonderful. My bean is now a big tree.
Hey, Chip!
What you doing up there? Look, my bean! I woke up from a nap and my bean grew into a giant tree.
It can't be. There's no way a little bean could become a tree so big.
Well, it happened. Mom said it would. I took really good care of my kidney bean and now it's huge.
Whoa, he's right. The bean Chip planted really did become a giant beanstalk.
Hello, Chip.
Hey, Koala! You came to play with me on my beanstalk.
Huh? What do you mean? This isn't a beanstalk. This is a eucalyptus tree.
What? No, it's not. It's a beanstalk.
Want to try? It's a delicious eucalyptus leaf.
It's not a beanstalk. Oh, no.
It's not a beanstalk.
Whoa!
Oh, no, Chip!
Chip! I got you.
So this is where you were, Chip.
Mama, I thought the kidney bean I planted turned into a tree, but it didn't.
Okay. Well, do you want to check on the garden now?
Check the garden now. Whoa!
Wow!
It grew into a sprout, Chip. Cute and little, just like you.
Hi there, Sprout. It's nice to finally meet you, little fella.